How did you meet Anne?
Well, we used to go to the same folk dance group that met on campus. Um, it's called the Senior Men's Log Cabin. It's still there. It's still used, but it's kind of condemned now. But it was a building made of logs. It was a log cabin, and every Friday night they had folk dancing. So we kind of knew each other from that. And then one day I was going to the library and she was on break, and she had a long braid, and I kind of playfully tugged her braid and we started talking. And then we went out the following Saturday. We had like a 10-hour date because we started out helping these mutual friends of ours to move, and then we went out for dinner, and then one of her sisters was having a Halloween party, so we went to that. And then we saw each other a lot right after that. It was 3 or 4 days a week or more even. After I met Anne, I think my parents knew I was going out with her. And I think my mother wrote me a letter saying, why can't you find a nice Jewish girl? And I think Anne read that letter. I mean, I didn't hide it or anything. And so she knew, but we had a very small, rapid wedding for one reason or other. And then we took a trip back east, and my parents threw a party for us, like a wedding party where all the relatives were invited. And that was Anne's first exposure to kind of New York Jewishness.